Here's a certified 2018 Cadillac Escalade ESV. It stays true to its Cadillac soul, offering sophistication throughout, while being everything you need an SUV to be, with room galore. It comes nicely equipped with features you'll love: EcoTech 3 engine, 4-wheel drive, integrated navigation system with voice activation, refrigerated box located in the console, heated and ventilated bucket seats, automatic parking sensors, entertainment system with Blu-ray, OnStar 4G LTE Wi-Fi hotspot, dual zone climate control, streaming video feed rear view mirror, and automatic transmission. To achieve greatness, one must dare to be great. Shape your world in a Cadillac. The time is now. See it for yourself today. Call us today at 754-220-1690.